Hello students, I am Shubham Tiwari, your geography teacher. We are on the second lecture of class 9th Geography NCERT. So let's start. In this video, we are going to talk about size of India. So there is a fact, total geographical area of the world is 510.072 million square kilometers. So in this figure, in this slide, you can see world map. The total geographical area is 510.072 million square kilometers, where 70 to 30 ratio between water and land. So the land area is 148.94 million square kilometer, where water area is 361.132 million square kilometer. So this is a map of India. Area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. That means 32,87,263 kilometers square. It consists 2.4% total geographical area of the world. It is clear that India is the 7th largest country of the world. You can see here there is a graph. Russia 17.09 million square kilometer, Canada 9.98 million square kilometer, USA 9.83 million square kilometer, China 9.60 million square kilometer, Brazil 8.51 million square kilometer, Australia 7.69 million square kilometer, and India 3.28 million square kilometer. So there is a biggest country in area, Russia, and 7th position of India. When we talk about India land boundary, it's about 15,200 kilometer total length. But when we talk about coastal line, that means coastal line boundary, we find 7,516.6 kilometer. So I want to clear here what is coastal line and what is land boundary. So this is mainland boundary. This portion belongs to mainland boundary, but this portion belongs to coastal line, including group of island Lakshadweep and group of island Andaman and Nicobar. And one more thing, India is bounded by the Jungfrau mountain in the northwest. That means you can see easily there is Himalaya, the great mountain. Okay, and it is also Jungfrau mountain. And south of about 22° north latitude, it begins to taper. Taper means reduce in thickness, a gradual narrowing. You can see easily there is a gradual narrowing. You can see easily there is a gradual narrowing. The width, the thickness is going to decrease from 22°, reduce in thickness. And further, Indian Ocean divided into two seas. The first one is Arabian Sea, and second one is Bay of Bengal. If you want to see latitudinal and longitudinal extent, you will find approx 30°. And there is a fact about distance. Latitudinal distance 2933 kilometer, sorry, longitudinal distance, but latitudinal distance 3214 kilometer. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India 82 and 30 minute east. Okay, this line belongs to Indian standard meridian. It is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Is taken as the standard meridian time for whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Okay, so there is a Indian standard meridian time 82 and half, and it is a just mid latitude of India. You can easily calculate if you just add 68 degree 7 minute plus 97 degree 25 minute, just add and total is divided by 2, you will definitely get 82 and half. Thank you.